We've already had our first snow of the season. The coats have came off the hangers and the ice scrapers have made their way back to the windshield. A lot of people tend to spend more time indoors once it gets cold, so picture this. It's snowing up a storm outside and you're inside, surrounded by your loved ones. The fireplace is going and keeping you warm along with the nice warm mugs of hot chocolate. Today, I will be demonstrating how to make a cup of hot chocolate. Over the course of today, we will be going over the health benefits of hot chocolate, the ingredients needed to make hot chocolate, and of course, how to make hot chocolate. Now it's freezing outside, so let's hurry into the warming facts about why hot chocolate is healthy for you. The word healthy might sound like a stretch, but there really are a lot of benefits that can come along with drinking hot chocolate. According to bantuchocolate.com, drinking hot chocolate can lead to a better heart, blood, and brain. Drinking hot chocolate is healthy because it contains flavonols in the cocoa, which makes it naturally rich. This plant compound can also help lower insulin levels, which can lower blood sugar levels. Drinking hot chocolate can also help your body produce new blood vessels and neurons, which can help preserve your memory. For those who don't know what Alzheimer's is a brain-eating disease that affects your memory, and it usually comes with age. Alzheimer's can affect you in time and can lead to you not being able to eat, sleep, or bathe on your own. This website also proves how drinking hot chocolate can improve your mood, clear up your skin, and overall just make your day better. If it was up to me, drinking hot chocolate would be an everyday requirement. Now that we know how it's healthy, let's soak up the ingredients which you need to make hot chocolate. PureWow.com provided a list of America's top favorite hot cocoa mixes. Up first is Starbucks Classic, second is Ghirardelli's Double Chocolate, and third, and my personal favorite, is Swiss Miss Marshmallow Lovers, and we will be using that one today. Now, if you don't like these, I highly recommend you trying a white chocolate mix, a peppermint mix, a dark chocolate mix, or a caramel sea salt mix. There's really no way of avoiding it here. Also, what you'll need today is water, which I have in this water warmer, the mix, a mixing spoon, and of course, a cute little Christmas mug. Now, what I don't have today, but also wouldn't hurt, could be extra chocolate sauce, caramel, peppermint, like a candy cane, and of course, whipped cream. But I don't have that today, so we won't even think about it. Now that we have everything that we need, let's get right into making it. Up first, we put our water into our water warmer and let that sit. After a few minutes, it should be warm enough. While we're waiting for the water to warm up, we can add our mix right into our mug. This would be a great time to add your chocolate sauce to the base. Now that we have that ready and the water is warm, we will add the water right into the mug. Like that. You can leave a little bit of room or do whatever you want. I like to leave a little bit of room at the top so I can add whatever else I like. Give it a nice stir and keep stirring until all of the clumps of hot chocolate are mixed in. Once it's all stirred, tap off your spoon and set it aside. Now it could be ready to drink as is, or you could add marshmallows or your whipped cream or your candy cane, whatever you prefer. But now that we have done it all, I will now conclude this speech. Over the course of today, we went over the health benefits that hot chocolate can give you, the ingredients needed to drink hot chocolate, and of course, how to make hot chocolate. Thank you for listening today, and I hope that next time it snows up a storm outside, you will find yourself with a hot mug of hot chocolate warming your hands and your heart. Thank you.